When the past feels like a blur and the future feels uncertain, we need a map for our lives. Trace the trajectory of your journey with Mitrix, the signature toolkit from Life Library. Here is a step-by-step guide to the half Mitrix, the perfect starting point for everyone. Please prepare the half Mitrix. Spread the paper out on the table. Please have a black pen and 2 or 3 colored pens ready. Write your name and today's date in the top left corner. The vertical axis on the left represents time. If you are under 30, start from the very top cell with your birth year and fill in 1 year per cell moving downward. If you are over 30, start from the very bottom cell, write the current year in the last cell and move upward, 1 year per cell. Leave the top 5 cells empty for now. In the topmost cell, write your birth year. For the remaining 4 empty cells, divide the period between your birth year and your first recorded year into 5 equal segments and fill them in accordingly. Mitrix is built on the 6-track perspective to provide a multi-dimensional analysis of your life. Within this framework, you can discover how you relate to the various beings and elements of the world. The Info track, unveil the diverse characters within you as you log the names, titles, and roles of your life. Space track, see how the places you've occupied have silently influenced your behaviors and emotions. People track, record your relationships to unveil patterns and the traits of those who inspired or challenged you. Lifestyle track, illuminate your shifting tastes and the ways you navigate your inner desires. Issue and keywords track, meticulously map out the backgrounds, from social systems to faith, that shaped your beliefs. Work track, catalog your life's output, from career achievements to the creations you've put out into the world. Map out your life events year by year across the 6-track, letting your memories flow naturally into the Mitrix. If you're not sure where to start, use our guide questions to help you fill it in, one step at a time. When past memories resurface, record them with keywords or drawings in the cells where the corresponding years and tracks intersect. From the trivial to your deepest secrets and wounds, the more honestly and bravely you record them, the more profound your self-reflection will be. Take a slow, bird's-eye view of the life story you've filled into your Mitrix. As you fill in the cells, highlight the keywords that catch your eye, recurring themes, and the pivotal turning points of your life. Draw lines to link keywords within similar contexts and connect events that share a cause and effect relationship. Dots converge to form lines, and those lines reveal the narrative of your life. Discover what stands out within that context as you spot and connect the dots. Step back to survey the map of your life from an observer's perspective. From this objective distance, observe the life patterns and diverse facets of your identity that naturally emerge. Conclude this journey by calmly organizing the unique insights and emotions you have newly encountered. A precise tool for self-reflection. Mitrix.